Solve 3x squared plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. We're going to use the factoring technique to solve this quadratic equation. The first thing that we do for all these type of problems, if we're going to use factoring, is we need to set it equal to 0 and make sure our terms are in descending order. Since that's already the case for this particular problem, we're going to go ahead and factor. The first step in all factoring problems is to remove the GCF. The GCF for this particular problem is 1, so we can go ahead to step 2. We're going to use the AC method of factoring. So we're going to multiply positive 3 times negative 8. So positive 3 times negative 8 equals negative 24. Now we're going to write down all the factors of negative 24. So that's 1 and negative 24, negative 1 and 24, 2 and negative 12, negative 2 and 12, 3 and negative 8, negative 3 and 8, 4 and negative 6, and negative 4 times 6. We're looking for the pair that adds to a positive 2. So the pair that adds to a positive 2 would be negative 4 and a positive 6. So what we're going to do is rewrite our quadratic as 3x squared minus 4x plus 6x minus 8 equals 0. And then we're going to factor by grouping. 3x squared minus 4x, and then 6x minus 8. So we're going to remove the GCF in each group. So in the first group, x is the GCF, and that will leave us a 3x minus 4. And in the second group, a positive 2, and that will also leave us a 3x minus 4. Notice again that our grouping inside the parentheses, the 3x minus 4 is the same. That's our GCF. And when we remove that, that will leave us with another factor of x plus 2. So in its factored form, 3x squared plus 2x minus 8 is 3x minus 4 times x plus 2. Since we're solving, we'll set each factor equal to 0 and solve. So the first factor, we'll add 4 to both sides. So 3x would equal 4 and divide by 3. So one of our answers is x equals 4/3. And our other answer, we subtract 2 from both sides, and x will equal negative 2. So our two solutions would be 4/3 and negative 2.